Welcome back, guys. What we're going to do today is the basics of drilling through a wall safely. So what you're going to do first is establish where you need the hole to be, internally and externally. So you're going to take measure it all out, and once you're happy, you're going to mark the wall on the outside. It would be better if it fell into the mortar, but I don't really like drilling through the mortar anyway. So, first things first, guys, glasses and gloves. That's your PPE for the day, and you're going to get your smallest drill bit, SDS drill. It may be a 10 or 12 mil. Ideally, the smaller the better. And this is going to cover. This is aimed at gas pipes. It can cover cables, etc. But what I would do with cabling is sheath it with plastic PVC pipe instead of copper pipe. But what we're going to do now is start off drilling, and we're going to drill on normal drill, not hammer. Okay, just to mark the wall where we want it. So once we're happy with that, we can switch to hammer drill. Now be careful, because we are going all the way through now. Best thing to do is measure your drill bit roughly of where you're going to go through the wall, and you can measure the wall at the door frame. And once you're roughly there, turn it back from hammer drill to normal drill, then you won't blow the brick on the inside. Okay? And what I mean by blowing the brick is it makes a massive crater in the plaster brickwork on the inside. That's your first layer. It's really easy. You'll feel it will be really easy, or it might be difficult depending on your brickwork. If it's really easy, switch to a normal drill straight away. And we're through, just like that. Now what you want to do, as I said, you're going to start on your smallest drill bit. Like I said, it may be 10 mil, but say if you're getting 15 mil copper through there, you're going to want to go up to a 24 mil drill bit. Reason being is because you're going to sheath the pipework with 22 mil copper. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and do that, and I'll explain why in a second. So we're going to go up your drill bits in increments. So now I'm going up to a 16 mil from a 10 mil. And you're not going to need hammer now, just normal drill. That one done. Next, going up to 18, or no, this one's gone up to 20 now. Last but not least, 24. Right, what we're going to do now is pop the 22 mil through and pop it in and get it in line with the wall, like that. We're then going to go inside and mark with a pen where it needs cutting. Then whilst inside, you're going to push it back out once you've marked it, which is there. So we're going to cut it there with some slices. Once cut, you're going to pop it back in the hole. It's nice and flush with the wall. That's it, perfect. Now, we're going to go ahead and put a 15 mil pipe in. Once in and installed, finished, you've done what you need to do, you're then going to seal it with sealant on the inside. Now, again, I'm going off gas basics on this. You're going to see that on the inside, because if there's a gas escape on this pipework, it's going to come back out of here, and you're going to smell it outside and not leak into the property. You're not going to seal it on both inside and outside, because if there is a damage to the pipework in any sort of way, there shouldn't be now, but if there is, or a leak on a fitting, it's not going to have a build up and explode potentially. And the reason we've sheathed the copper pipe going through is because of any damage to this pipework, obviously, from either damaged brickwork or whatever. Corrosion over time, which there shouldn't be if you've cleaned it up correctly, but I've seen it done. And that's basically it, guys. That's all there is to it. Just make sure you take the right safety precautions. I mean, you shouldn't be working on gas anyway unless you're qualified. So I hope it's helped. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.